Take a slow, gentle breath in and slowly let it go. There is nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to do, nothing you need to become. Just be here in this moment. And as you listen to my voice, your mind can begin to soften, like warm light melting gentle snow. Now, allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to loosen, your forehead to smooth. And notice how your body already knows how to relax. You don't need to force it. You don't need to try. Relaxation is your natural state. Now, imagine that with every breath out, you are releasing something old. Every exhale, letting go of stress, tension, worry, pressure. And every inhale, drawing in calm, peace, comfort, safety. Now, picture yourself standing at the edge of a quiet lake. The surface is smooth, like glass. The air is warm, still, peaceful. And as you step forward, you begin to float, effortlessly, gently. The water supports you, holding you safely. And with every second, your body becomes lighter, your mind becomes quieter, your thoughts slow down. Now, feel the gentle rhythm of the water, rocking you, back and forth, like being held in the safest place you have ever known. And as you float, your subconscious mind begins to open, receiving calm, receiving comfort, receiving healing. Now, allow memories of peace to rise, moments when you felt safe, moments when you felt loved, moments when everything was okay. Let those feelings spread through your chest, your arms, your legs, until your entire body is filled with soft, calm energy. Now, your breathing is slow, your heart steady, your body heavy and relaxed, and your mind is drifting deeper and deeper. Now, imagine a soft staircase leading downward, 10 gentle steps. With each step, you move deeper into rest. 10, sinking. 9, floating. 8, slowing. 7, melting. 6, drifting. 5, deep calm. 4, heavy comfort. 3, almost asleep. 2, mind quiet. 1, deep, peaceful stillness. Now, you are resting inside your inner sanctuary, a place of absolute safety, absolute peace. Nothing can disturb you here. And as you remain in this stillness, your subconscious is gently restoring. Your nervous system is calming. Your emotions are balancing. Your mind is healing. Your body is repairing. And sleep comes naturally, effortlessly, like sinking into the softest bed, wrapped in warmth, surrounded by peace. Now you drift, and drift into deep, natural, healing sleep. And you remain here, resting, floating, sleeping.